Welcome to our video on the Brandenburg Gate. We'll explore its journey from a symbol of Prussian division to a global icon of German unity, examining historical perspectives relevant to collectors and scholars. We begin with Chapter 1, A Monumental Legacy, exploring the gate's monumental beginnings, from its Prussian origins to witnessing the imperial period. Commissioned by Frederick William II and designed by Carl Gotthard Langhans, the Neoclassical Gate was built between 1788 and 1791. Inspired by the Propylaea in Athens, it features 12 Doric columns and the famous Quadriga, a chariot pulled by 4 horses. The gate bore witness to Prussian power, including the Napoleonic conflict when the Quadriga was seized in 1806 and later returned. It transitioned from a city gate to a monumental triumphal arch, marking the 1871 German unification. The gate suffered immense damage during World War II, with only one horse's head surviving from the original Quadriga. Its restoration in the 1950s was a rare moment of cooperation between East and West Berlin authorities before the wall was erected. We transition to Chapter 2, The Divided Heart, focusing on the gate's time as a monument trapped behind the Iron Curtain. From 1961 to 1989, the Brandenburg Gate stood isolated in the death strip, or no man's land. With the construction of the Berlin Wall, it became a potent symbol of the Cold War, dividing families and the nation. The gate became a beacon of freedom, notably when President Ronald Reagan challenged Gorbachev to tear down this wall in 1987. The 1989 Monday demonstrations led to the border's collapse, and the gate officially opened on December 22, 1989. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 transformed the Brandenburg Gate into a global icon of peaceful revolution and reunification. Today, it stands as the most visited landmark in Germany, symbolizing unity restored. The Brandenburg Gate's historical significance is also captured in its numismatic legacy. It has appeared on German currency and medals, signifying key historical periods like the 1991 bicentennial and the 1990 unification. For collectors, notable items include the 1991 5 Deutschmark silver coin. The gate is also the primary symbol on German 10, 20, and 50-cent euro coins, and is prominently featured on high-relief unification medals.